Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change text case in Excel. We'll dive into the simple yet powerful functions that can instantly transform your text. Whether you need all caps, all lowercase, or proper case, Excel has you covered. This process is straightforward and will save you a lot of manual editing time, especially with large datasets. Let's get started and make your data presentation perfect. The upper function is your go-to for making text entirely uppercase. Simply select an empty cell, type equals upper, and then click on the cell containing the text you want to change. Press Enter, and you'll see your text instantly transformed. This is incredibly useful for headings or data that requires consistent capitalization, ensuring clarity and uniformity across your spreadsheets. Beyond uppercase, Excel also provides the lower and proper functions. Lower will convert all characters to lowercase, perfect for standardizing entries. Proper, on the other hand, capitalizes the first letter of each word, which is ideal for names or titles. Just like upper, you apply them by typing equals lower, cell reference, or equals proper, cell reference into a new cell, then pressing Enter. Once you've used upper, lower, or proper, you'll want to finalize the change. Copy the cells with the new case, then right-click on your desired destination and choose Paste Special, then Values. This replaces the formulas with the actual text, letting you delete the original column if needed. It's a crucial step for clean data management. Also, for other great deals and the link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.